Now I'll demonstrate the Payments.NG platform's crypto capabilities. We'll use the popular MetaMask wallet directly on the blockchain. We select from wallets. Other wallets can also be here. For example, there's also the popular Phantom wallet. We select MetaMask, for instance, Ethereum. Any cryptocurrency supported by this wallet's networks can also be used. The currency is local. We can choose the amount we wish to withdraw. Here, we're shown the exchange rate and the amount we want to withdraw. The rate updates regularly based on bank rules, and the commission is also factored in. Scan the QR code using your wallet app. Confirm. And in just 10 seconds, we'll receive our money directly through the blockchain. Before 10 seconds had even passed, the Payments.NG server saw the transaction on the network and gave the ATM the go-ahead command. At the completion of the transaction, we receive a comprehensive receipt with all the transaction details and a thank you for using our service. And now, I'll demonstrate this transaction in the system. We are updating the information about this wallet. Just a minute ago, we received a transaction to this wallet, the amount that we withdrew in Ethereum.